Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to tag a business on Facebook post. So let's get started the video. At first open Facebook and go to your timeline on the page where you want to post. Click or tap on what's on your mind to start creating a new post. Type the business name as you are typing your post. Type @ followed by the business name. For example, type @ then the business name. Facebook will show a drop-down list of suggestions as you type. Select the business from the drop-down. The business will be highlighted and tagged in your post. You will know it worked when the business name appears as a clickable link in your draft. Once you have written your post and tagged the business, click or tap Post to publish it. The business will now be tagged in your post, and your followers can click on the tag to visit the business page. And that's how you tag a business on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Initial Solution for more quick tips.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.